guys, what's up? What's up, guys? Today I'm actually going to be playing some Roblox jailbreak, and yes, I do know that there's some cool things going around in Roblox jailbreak. So today, I actually know, I'm going to be showing you one glitch, and I have a small car, which I guess is really yeah, that's really loud. Okay, hang on guys. Let me just change the volume here a little bit. Ugh, barely will let me change. I'm so sorry. Maybe it's the game volume. Let's check the game. Okay, this is out good. So, guys, my microphone might turn off soon. Just because, like, last time I had no idea why, but turned off. So, yeah. I have no idea why though. Yeah, so, yeah, let's just get into topics. So first, what you want to do to get, like, a cool part of jailbreak, you guys will probably be really surprised. And guys, this is no click, no joke. Okay, and like, no joke, it actually works. Like, I tried it a couple times ago, and it actually did work. So that's just. So first, what you want to do is you want to go near the meteor and Bugs building. This is glitchy. Bam, bam, bam! And for you guys that actually should be like a chicken, oh my god. Guys, this is sort of creeping me out. I want that. I want that for myself. I need that power. I need to feel that power. Hunter, find it. Find it now! Guys, whoa, did you just see that? That actually worked right there. So, guys, no joke, it worked. Like, it actually worked. I did not think it was gonna work, and I actually got this on camera. So yeah, let's just do what a YouTube video told me. Shout out to Dev for telling this glitch. Yeah, so one thing I think you have to do is, I think you have to grab this AK-47. Jeez, the sensitivity on this thing, dang it. It's on 0 sensitivity. Let's put it on 1. So yeah. This is a little too high. I think what you're supposed to do is, in one of these buildings, there's actually like, yeah, here. There. You're supposed to shoot this 30 times. So guys, I don't know if this is the right house. Let's just try it one more time. Done. Then did it clean up? No. Maybe it's in all of the houses. No, definitely not for sure. Okay, so guys, I think I'm gonna end the jailbreak here for today. And yeah, so let's leave the game and let's play some Rocket Simulator. Or, you know, guys, I don't really know. What should we do? Should we play my American Ninja Warrior game? No, I have no idea. Let's play this American Ninja Warrior game just because it's really fun. So guys, it's starting up, and guys, I actually love this game, and I find it really entertaining. One reason is because, like, it's really addicting because, like, you have a lot of pressure when a lot of people are around, so yeah, I don't want to buy this. Okay. Yeah, so I actually just disabled that. Jeez, this thing is laggy. I have no idea why. Why is this so laggy, guys? Like, literally, I have no idea. Okay, guys, I think it's better now. Yeah, but like, I'm just standing. Yeah, so guys, I think... But it's like so laggy, I can't even move! Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I know why. This is like... Okay, I waved. It's so laggy. Why though? Guys, like, I have no idea why. Oh, this thing is a lag machine. Maybe it's the server. Let's try my fan server. I mean, yeah, I know I have one, but maybe it's just... channel's tell me in the comments. Yeah, this is gonna work a lot better. Got 5 more minutes left, so guys, like 3-4 more minutes, and so make sure to subscribe, because this time I just face cam and I'm using family computer and it wouldn't let me move. It would not let me jump. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. 5 more times, and then if I can't die 5 more times, okay. What? It wouldn't let me jump, guys. No. Oh my god, guys. I am so sad right now. Tell me in the comments if you know. Literally. Yeah. Okay, hang on. Sorry, I was just talking to my mom, guys. Yeah, so tell me in the comments if you guys know why. So, just gonna go. Okay, I think it's all. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Back with my. Just remember, if I don't have the face cam in the audio, so sorry. Yeah, and I really wish I could. So, bye guys. Love you. See you in the next one.